Welcome to the Factory Cat Model 34 battery powered sweeper machine overview video. This video is video number 2 of a 3-part video series. The goal of this video is to give you, the user, a detailed operational understanding of your Model 34 sweeper. The Model 34 sweeper is designed to sweep up and contain the dirt and debris found on hard and soft floor surfaces. The sweeping is accomplished when the Model 34 is directed towards the debris path, where it is captured by the side and main broom assemblies as shown here. The side broom and main broom are electromechanically operated to capture the dust and debris and to mechanically sweep it into the hopper assembly. To access the 34's hopper assembly, simply press the spring-load release clip as shown here. A note of caution: always have the filter shaker handle in the lower position as shown. This will place the shaker paddle clear of the hopper assembly when removing the hopper. Once the shaker handle is positioned properly, remove the debris hopper as demonstrated here. The debris hopper is made of heavy gauge epoxy coated steel. At the base of the hopper is the flexible hopper flap. This flap must be free of wear for efficient sweeping. If worn, replace accordingly. The main broom is capable of recovering large debris as well as fine dust. The negative air turbine collects dust in a filter bag house that is made of naturally antimicrobial polymer felt fiber that filters down to as fine as 3 microns. Other filter types are available based on your sweeping conditions. When the hood latch is released and the hood is open, it offers easy access to the 12-volt battery assembly equipped with quick-release Anderson connectors for simple battery maintenance. The battery that comes with your 34 will give you 3 to 5 hours of runtime depending on the sweeping conditions that you are working in. Just behind the battery is a 1 horsepower drive motor that operates the Self-Propelled, the main broom, and the negative air dust control turbine, which is equipped with a wet sweep bypass port when sweeping in wet applications, as demonstrated here. Located to the right of the wet bypass chamber is the onboard battery charger. Located in the far right corner is a yellow side broom adjustment knob. This allows you to properly adjust the side broom. See the operator's manual for proper side broom adjustment instructions. Located in the left rear corner is the safety power shutoff switch. This turns off power to the sweeper when the hood is in the open position. Your 34 sweeper is designed with an adjustable ergonomic handle assembly that can be adjusted to the operator's height by loosening the handle lock using a 7/16 wrench as shown. Once loosened, adjust to the operator's height and retighten accordingly. Located just under the hood latch to the operator's left side is the main broom raise and lower lever. Moving the lever to the right lowers the main broom. Moving the lever to the left raises the main broom. To the right is the side broom lever. Moving the handle to the left lowers the side broom. Moving it to the right raises the side broom. Note: when storing your sweeper, always leave the brooms in the up position. This will prevent the brooms from developing a flat spot. Located in the lower center of the rear panel is the filter shaker handle. This handle is used to clear the filter assembly of accumulated dust. Note: always have the machine in the off position when clearing the filter. Located to the right rear of the hood assembly is the battery level indicator light with hour meter. The hour meter will be used in conjunction with the preventive maintenance schedule. Located to the right of the battery gauge is the operation reference decals. These decals can be used as a quick reference guide for machine operation. Machine Startup. Located on the left upper side of the rear panel is the primary 3-way power switch. When the switch is in the lower position, the machine is off. In the middle position operates the main broom, vac fan, and traction drive. In the top position adds all of the middle operation features and the side broom. The side broom should be operating when conducting edge sweeping. Once the power switch position has been selected, lower your main broom and your side broom if being used for edge sweeping. Next, unlock the parking brake to the operating position as shown. Then gently pull back on the drive handle to activate the self-propel. Note, the further the handle is pulled back, the faster the machine will move forward. Continue to the Model 34 Sweeper machine operation video, video number 3 of the 3-part series.